1 hour later.
I think I'm late for the Met. I have to go. Oh, This is my 3rd Met Gala. I'm turning 3 today in the Met world. I'm actually more excited than any of the other years, so I must be growing up. Now I know what to expect. I feel much more peaceful than the past 2 years. The first year, I just didn't even understand the process of preparing an outfit so heavily. Anthony and Saint Laurent really carried that for me, and they still do, but I feel like it just feels a little more intentional and just understand all the detailed preparation that this gala is about. But who knows, the nerves can kick in at any time and I will lose my chill. I think over the years, I've gotten to create more friendships, so hopefully I'll bump into more friends this year, and I'm really excited because we're all really busy. Oh, actually, I'm really excited to meet all the Blackpink girls at the gala. I was really hoping that we'd all gather, the 4 of us last year, but it didn't happen. So this year, it's going to happen, and I'm really excited to see them all. I'm working on music, and I'm also really working on myself and learning about myself as I do that. So the next year or so, I think will be really exciting for even myself to discover what there's left to do in the world, what I like, what I love, what I'm interested in. And I think surprises. I'm ready for lots of surprises, and so I think the fans should be too. We call it our team. Our team. This is Won Jong-yo, my makeup artist. She was 우리 두 번째 맷이지.
두 번째.
This is our 2nd Met together. She has worn Saint Laurent for us today. On theme. We're attending with Saint Laurent. So, and this is 선영 실장님, 리 선영. 10년 됐나? 가까이? Almost 10 years. So I grew up with her with Blackpink, and she's literally the best hairstylist in Korea, literally of all time. She's like, I'm gonna cry. And these are the girls who are supporting our artists. Jihan, Singyeon right here. We have Yuna. Ashley's right there. There's Sunher, where are you? We've got Jess. Jess is right there. There's Jane over there. Somebody just get her. Oh my gosh, Megan is the mascot. That's Ted. There's Minson. She's helping styling today. And this is my team. Our team.
오늘 조금 이렇게 모브빛 핑크 색감을 넣어서 조금 여성스러우면서도 좀 차가운 느낌을
반짝이는 로제가 되었으면 좋겠다.
Oh, she wants me to be a shiny Rosie. 어떤 마음가짐으로? 뭐 다르게 준비하는 게 또 있나요?
그쵸.
They're so shy. Look, they're looking at the wall.
아니 너무 생각 못한 질문이라.
They're both looking at the wall.
일단은 또 근데 그때 컨셉이 또 정해져 있기 때문에 그거에 조금 뭔가
영감?
네, 그거에 맞춰서 좀 해보려고.
오, 좋은 답변이 좋았대요.
오, 네, 칭찬받았어. 그날에 먼저 의상을 좀 보고 그때 의상이 좀 이제 그런 무드를 저희 헤어 실장이랑 같이 상의를 하는 거죠. 어쨌든 전체적인 컨셉은 의상이기 때문에 그 의상의 무드에 맞춰서 헤어 메이크업을 같이 정리하면서 서로 의견을 또 아티스트와 함께 저희는 의견을 나누면서 하는 스타일.
Same. Same.
Yeah.
Everything same.
Outfit is first.
Outfit is first. There we go. So the theme definitely inspired my look. Well, Laura sent a few ideas, themes around art, art and fashion, and out of them, we were able to pick this design that Yves Saint Laurent had used multiple times. It's also a very symbolic and iconic design that reoccurs over time. Anthony has reused it in his recent collections. It's this bird painting. It was really fascinating to see how Anthony put his beautiful silhouette around this bird and made it so elegant and chic and effortless, but you know, still very iconic, and I'm really, really excited to wear it tonight. Yeah, my 3rd year at the Met, we're learning things.
So this is the dress for the main carpet. So Saint Laurent is sexy, you have a high slit. For me, Rosie's like this quiet storm, right? Everything seems really simple and easy, and then once she gets in the garment or the design, she kind of like turns on this thing, you know? So she's my like quiet storm, but the clothes have to reflect that part of her personality, right? It's never over the top, it's never too dramatic. It's always these simple things, you know, in the cut or the silhouette, but then it's like the small detail, and it's when she brings her it to it. Of course, when the theme came out and the dress code came out, I automatically went back to Mr. Saint Laurent's. This dove that's on her gown, it was that, or it was the Mondrian, which also Mr. Saint Laurent was famous for creating. And it is incredible. I can't wait for the world to see.
Hi.
Happy Met Day.
Hello.
You look beautiful. We have the same hair.
Oh, we do. We're competing. We love it.
Really incredible, yeah.
We love this one.
Anthony took the reference and just made it exactly what he said, like the modern Saint Laurent woman, you know, because this reference started in the 50s, and then Mr. Saint Laurent did it in the 80s, and now here in 2026. This coat was Andre Leon's Hallie's, so I wore it because I like wanted to bring a piece of him for good luck for us today for the Met.
That's nice.
You know, he used to be his position was at the top of the stairs for many, many years, so I just brought a little bit of him. Rub it for good luck. All right, let's get you dressed.
All right.
You can't forget this.
Yes.
The
we cannot
Tiffany.
forget
You
this.
can't forget Tiffany.
So I am in my full final look with the jewels, and I feel very Saint Laurent, and I feel like I'm about to fly. Look at that. Alright, Vogue, I am ready, and I think I might be on time. I don't want to be late, so...